Remember the room I said we didn't touch for 3 years? Well, I'm actually sitting in it right now. It's this hallway and the bathroom behind me, which used to be my really spacious kitchen. And would I have loved a new kitchen? Of course, absolutely. I mean, who doesn't love orange paint? I mean, seriously, I like color, but orange painted cabinets? Really? Seriously, we had just bought the house, super excited, kind of overwhelmed with projects, and a little scared because our mortgage payment had actually tripled. We had to be very thoughtful and cautious on where we were spending our money. In the kitchen, it just had to wait. But the peachy-pink bathroom had to go home. Not a chance that one was sticking around, and that's really where it all began. One project led to another, and we painted, stripped wallpaper, and ironically put wallpaper back up. We patched holes, and we dug out the cement dog track, and eventually we did get our kitchen, the first alliteration. Then came the patio and the pavers, the fence, the furnace, the fire pit, the fireplace, an addition, another addition, and another addition after that. And honestly, I've lost count of how many projects we've done over the years, and what started with that peachy pink bathroom that looks like this today became 35 years of making this house be what it needed to be for our family. And looking back, I'm actually glad we waited on the kitchen because we needed to live in the house and determine how we wanted it to function for us. We wanted to figure out our design aesthetic, not just something that looked good in a magazine or was on trend. Our house, it's really never been done. It's never finished. Continues to evolve just like our family. And next Wednesday, I'll show you where we are today and reveal my newest project.